Welcome back everyone to another episode of Vegetarian Cooking with JJ. Today I'm going to be making a Greek orzo salad or an orzo salad Greekified. It is a simple dish to make, but it is bursting with flavor. And it is a perfect summer dish because it's a dish best served cold. But it's not revenge. In fact, I'm sure people will come back for seconds and thirds. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking. I'm going to set our stovetop to medium and bring a pot of water to a boil. And I'm going to slice up some red onion. And I'll cut it up into smaller pieces. I'll cut this red bell pepper into smaller cubes. And I'm going to cube our cucumber. Our pot of water is boiling now, so I'm going to add some herb mare. I actually lost my salt somewhere, funny enough. I'm adding our orzo to the pot. And I'll give it a little stir. While orzo originated in Italy, it's prevalent throughout Europe, and in Greece they call it kritariki, and traditionally is prepared hot and in a tomato base. And this was one of my dad's favorite meals growing up. I thought the salad style would be nice for summer and to incorporate some of the Greek elements such as the olive oil, the lemon, the garlic, the oregano, the Kalamata Olives, and the vegan Feta as well. I'm just making some room on our cutting board here so I can slice up this kale. We can gently massage the kale to soften it up. Now I'm just going to rinse off our cooked orzo, and I'm rinsing our organic cannellini beans. They do not contain any horrible preservatives. I'm just chopping up our broccoli into smaller pieces. And we have some mint and curly parsley. I'll just chop it all up. Here's our grape tomatoes. I'm just going to slice them up. I'm adding a 1/4 cup of our red wine vinegar and 1/2 cup of olive oil. And I'm just going to cut this lemon in half and juice it. And I have a 1/4 cup of our lemon juice. I'm going to add it to the mix. Lemons are a big part of Greek cuisine, even though they didn't actually originate from Greece. It is said they originated from Asia. In Sanskrit texts, there are references to lemons as well as texts from ancient China. It is said that Alexander the Great brought lemons into Greece. Whilst Greek myths attribute citrus fruit to life and immortality, lemons do indeed have some great health properties, such as vitamin C, which is widely known. And if you consume lemons or the lemon juice, it helps to absorb more iron. And they're good for preventing scurvy, matey! And lemons are great for a natural disinfectant. I have a tablespoon of our fine-grained Dijon mustard. We already have a lot of textures going on, so I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oregano, or Greek Mountain Oregano. Give it a stir. I'll add some salt and some pepper. And I'm microplaning 2 cloves of garlic. Mix that up and set it aside. Here's our Violife Feta style block. I'm going to cut some up into smaller cubes. We're just pressing the olives down so that we can pit them. Pit a bunch of Kalamata olives. We have our orzo here ready to go in our bowl. We'll add our kale, our red peppers, cucumbers, red onions. We'll add our broccoli. We'll add our cannellini beans. And we'll add our herbs, our tomatoes, and our Kalamata olives and Violife vegan cheese. Now we'll pour on our dressing and mix it up nicely. Now I'm gonna add our Greek orzo salad to this wonderful coconut bowl that I got from a friend for my birthday, complete with the wooden cutlery. And it's ready to go, and I'm excited to try it. It's that time again, I get to try it. It's a perfect balance between the citrus taste and the oil. And we got that nice pop of mint. Very nice. Perfect for summer, as I said. So remember to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. There's going to be a new video, a new recipe every Monday, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit!